And now for the news in detail. Political parties have intensified their poll campaign for the subsequent phases in UP and 2 phases polling in Manipur. Prime Minister Narendra Modi campaigned in Manipur today. Meanwhile, Meghalaya Chief Minister and NPP National President Conrad K. Sangma has downplayed the remark made by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma against his party, saying that it is an election time. Every political party takes a dig at each other. According to him, whatever is the situation, the scenario would be clear once election results are out. In one of his poll rally, Sarma on Monday mocked ally NPP, saying no one in India knows it and voting for its candidate in Manipur elections would be fruitless as the party has no value. Giving a past intense, Sangma said that during 2017 elections in Manipur too, such statements were made, but after the declaration of results, BJP and NPP formed a coalition government in that state.
Situation was there even before the 2017 election results, and in those situations also similar statements were made in different corners of the state in that election by different political parties. But when the results came out, then the situation was different. So let us wait and see. Speeches are things that we all give, and we will always speak in favor of our political parties and try to push our party forward. That's the nature of of how we are for when it comes to our own political parties.
The National